Hi, my name is Willa and her name is Soley. Today we're going to be opening these Glitter Mochi Squishy Toys. So let's pop this jack open. So I'm gonna. Whoa! Look at all these squishies. Now, before we take all of them out, we need to talk about them. So these emojis. So let's just take one out for now. Okay?
Okay, I think
so like if you can see the squishy here, it's really cute. I'll give one literally. They're really stretchy. They stretch and you can see a lot. So if you look here, way more. And let's get this box up open. Where's Unicorn? I found a koala.
I have all this.
No, you don't. Whatever you touch is all in there. No, you don't. Stop it! Oh my god.
Ooh, the golden snail. Golden snail, mine. So these are mine. So these are my squishies right now. Okay, trying to look for something. Let's just dump it.
So we're gonna dump it.
This is all my stuff. Let's put that box down. And let's see what we got.
So if you look here, there's matching. Here you go.
And here's a little kitty guy. I'll give that to my sister.
And we got a kitty.
Voila!
Sorry.
Here is a little tiny little.
Here is
piggy.
Here's just like
here's like all these icons. So look up close. You might not want to. You might can't see it. It's like another piggy, but it's not pink.
So you gotta open them.
They know. But so when you look at when you see a funky weird thing, it mine's an elephant right now. So and then here's my little pink piggy in live.
Here you go.
I own a pink one.
Sorry.
So but right now I got
Here.
another piggy that's like again blue. It's my piggy that I opened. Here's my koala that I'm gonna be opening. And there's a bunch more things.
So right now I have 3 matchings.
And right now I just opened up my koala.
Right?
And
Stop taking it.
I barely have any. Let's get you guys some.
I am. Here's a cat.
I just found something. It's not squishy. I haven't. Okay, right now I just found a golden snail. Okay, so
And there's also this cute little guy.
Oh my god! I didn't notice I had this. So right now I
So
just
you already talked about the screen spot. Okay? I need help. So there's this little, I think it's a cat. This is its back. And this is its face.
Here's my
Here's my little paw. No,
It's
it's a
very
squishy
squishy.
cat. It's like a squishy paw. So I have 3 squishy cats, 2 squishy cats, and now I have 4 matchings of
And
these.
then now I found a bear. Now I'm gonna put it in my pile. And look at all I got right now. It pooping.
Sully, no, stop.
Cool.
Get the ones you like, get the ones that you open, and that's it, okay? Open, no, Daddy, she's taking all of them, and she's not opening.
Open.
Please. No, this is Sissy.
And
Dad,
right
can you
now,
open them for him? He's taking all of mine. Dad, he's literally taking all of them. Help me, please. Help me.
Help you.
You're not helping me at all.
Hey.
Baby.
All right. Here.
So
Here, look.
I got all these. And then
All right. Now count back in, and then that way I know when to edit it out.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so also we have this cute little bunny.
ooh, look what I found, another elephant. So I'll give you one.
And we also have this other cute elephant.
I found a bunny, Willa.
Nice, I have a pink bunny too. Right there.
And then now I have like a little cute thing that
Bunny.
my bunny is so cute. It's like a little baby. Don't you think, Willa?
And we also have this cute elephant.
Look what I found. So when I was opening up these things, I just found Miss Oinkerson. Miss Oinkerson. Who should have Miss
Sweet.
Oinkerson?
Tell them the matches. And she also has.
Miss Oinkerson goes with the pink ones. The pink ones are going to get ordered.
And
Elephant.
if you know Finding Nemo, you should know this character.
Haha! Someone should know that. Oh, penguin. So here
That's not a penguin though.
I just stuck my finger in here and I found a penguin.
And we have a golden porcupine.
Oh my god. But I just found a little, penguin. Oh, like waddle. Woo.
You guys haven't.
I guess this is late. So these go over here.
You guys didn't see this coming. A squirrel.
Ooh, squirrel.
There's another one right here. Another one. I don't know. There's a duck.
Okay, so right now I just found a whole elephant. So I think I got a blue one. Yeah, the blue. And then
we also have a duck.
So, well, can you help me open this?
Just open it. You know what to do.
I found it.
And we also have a blue
so
chuggy.
So this is where we found a lot of things. And then right now, I'm gonna be picking up this one.
We also have this blue bunny again. So I have these 2 pairs of blue bunnies. And oh my god, I found a walrus. So I found a walrus, and
they're twinsies. Look, they're twins. I just got notice it.
actually it's a
Look what I
bear.
found. Look what I found. I just found a fat cat. So I just found right here
Another bear walrus.
fat cat.
Right
So
here.
there's 2 fat cats. See? One for my sister.
I already have a fat cat.
Look how cute it looks.
Oh my gosh.
It goes with the golden.
You may have heard of a gray elephant before. That's sparkling. But you haven't heard of a golden elephant.
Yeah! You haven't heard of a golden elephant. We both got golden elephants. So I just went into the pile and I don't know what I just found.
And, oh my god, a blue elephant too.
Oh my god! This is so cute. Oh my god, you have to see this. Look how cute that thing is! It's a little bear!
Show it up to them like this. Here's an elephant.
So they're all in order right now, but
Well,
we
look
have.
look how much I have.
Oh my god. You have more than me, I think.
Here's a golden hedgehog. Thank you. Okay, I'm adding to my 4. Now I have 5 of
Today-
these cute little guys.
Today's evening we're gonna watch a movie, but I think we should watch Ugly Dolls because they kind of look like squishies. But
If you guys know Ugly Dolls, tell us to subscribe under below.
and give us a thumbs up when we go, okay? So I just found a Mr. Oinkerson.
Mr. Oinkerson, everybody.
Mr. Oinkerson.
Mrs. Orkerson, please come over here.
Come in.
No, Mrs. Orkerson.
Okay, so enough with that. I think I just found another blue elephant. I think I should pass that over. Is this a frog? Oh, it's a fox! It's a tiny little girl fox. Look at this, guys. It's a tiny little girl fox. So cute. All my squishies are so cute.
Wait, do you have 2 tiny girl fox?
No.
Weird.
Look in this blue pile. I found the same thing as my sister. A golden hedgehog. Okay,
So-
I just found your fat cat.
I have 2 of these little guys.
Now, I just found
Oh, look, here's a fat cat.
yeah, I just gave you that. So look. So I found another elephant. I like my squishy pile. But at least, my squishy will snug at me. I don't know what squishy is. Another little baby one that has an apple in his hand.
Another
See that?
elephant.
See, there's an apple in his hand. Do you see that? His nose has an apple. So cute.
Okay,
Yeah.
last one for us. Look what we got. We got walruses. I mean, bear walruses, whatever they are.
I think I have trouble opening.
Whoa.
Okay, mine is a
Whoa.
walrus. Mine's a walrus. Can anybody see this? That's so cute. So cute. Don't you think it's so cute? I love this box.
It's a polar bear.
Look how much I have.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Okay, so let's count them and put them in order.
Okay.
And also their mates. Come on, let's go.
What?
Move the plastic. Move the plastic so you can see.
And so now we're gonna count up our squishies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You're lucky. What's this?
We can share it. I think it's
You got more than me. You got a lot of
You didn't get any. You got great things. Do you want a fat cat? You don't have any fat cats.
I do have a fact.
You want a duck? I love doggies. Look at this fat cat.
I think that's like
Asian dragon.
like. Wait, what about
We're still stretching. We're gonna never give up. We're still stretching. So looks like we have a lot, guys. Make sure you subscribe and give a thumbs up. Turn your ringer on below.
And look at
Bye
look
bye.
how much we have now.
Bye bye, everybody. Subscribe down below. Give us a thumbs up. Turn your ringer on.